Ahead of the midterm exam, middle school students who chose to climb a mountain instead of self-study were fiercely debating whether it was more difficult to climb a mountain or study. The debate, which had been raging for a while, ended blandly with the following wise answers to a stupid question from a first-year male student with the smallest body among them. Climbing a mountain is definitely more difficult. This is because studying can pretend to be doing it, but climbing a mountain can't pretend to be doing it. We often compare our journey to success to climbing a mountain. Of course, this metaphor also includes the meaning that you can never reach the top of a mountain by pretending to climb a mountain, as the middle school student in the story said. That's right, there is no other way to reach the top than to take your steps step by step.